Hello everyone and welcome to watch in this video about the Python programming language. So in this video, I will show you how to build a chatbot program. So do you all know what a chatbot is? So chatbot is a software that conducts conversation. There are only two variations of chatbot. So namely rule-based learning and self-learning. So rule-based chatbot can answer questions based on the certain training rules. But the self-learning chatbot, which is using some machine learning-based technology to check. So, in fact, we will use the natural language processing. In short form, we will say NLTK to build a chatbot program. So, the natural language processing is a subfield of logistics, computer science, information engineering, and artificial intelligence. So it concerns with the interaction between the computer and the human natural language. So before building a chatbot program, so we need to understand the chatbot and the chatbot compiles function. So the chatbot is a Python-based library that can easily build AI-based chatbot. So this library will use machine learning to learn from the section dataset and generate response to user input. So this library also allows the developers to use pre-provided language dataset to train their chatbot instead and build their own dataset. So, however, the chatbot Compiles is an open source user-built project that contains conversation dataset on various topics in 22 languages. This dataset are perfect for training a chatbot on the knowledge of language, such as the different way a user could create to the bot. So this means that developer can jump directly to the way of training chatbot on customer data without having to spend time teaching common reading. So chatbot has built-in function to download and use dataset for initial training from the chatbot compounds. So next, I will show you how and teach you how to use the chatbot. So the first step, we need to install the library in your system. So instead to write and execute this command in your Python terminal, so we need to pip install the chatbot compiles, flags, and the requirement.txt. So let's move on to the source code. Then this will be the source code. In this, I will contain about the about.html, home.html, index.html. So we will use the app.py and the chatbot.py. So how to use? Then we need to new terminal. So make sure that install the pip install chatbot. So in this, I have already installed. So they will talk about the requirement already satisfied. Then yeah, so this will be successfully installed the chatbot. So the next will be, so how to run it? python.app.py. So waiting for some time for the training. So you can see the localhost with the 3000. So localhost 3000. So this will be my homepage. So in this homepage, we'll have success by the design, about us, our service. So we use cutting edge technologies such as Python. So and teach our user how to use our chatbot. The next section which is AI chatbot software reference. So how to move on the chatbot page? We just click the student information chatbot, then we can move on the chatbot page. So in this, we can say hi. So the chatbot will say, how are you doing? So where can I find for more information about the Crescendo? So we can move on this window. Then the lecturer in the diploma in computer science, they also. So Simon Lo Kang Ling. So they will also talk about the Simon. Then that's for all my presentation. Thank you.